Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today I want to share to you how to use Google Classroom. Firstly, you can download the app on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Then you need to click Get Started and sign into your Google account. Next, you can click on the plus button to join or create class. You can join class by getting the class code from a lecturer or the link to the class. After joining the class, you will get all the materials for your class. You also can add your work by clicking the Add Work to upload your work or assignment. Lastly, you can also watch your teachers or lecturer recorded videos. Thank you and have a great day. Bye!